Python/postgres/psycopg2, getting it of row just inserted. I'm using Python and psycopg2 to interface to Postgres. When I insert a row, how do I get the id of the row I've just inserted? Trying returns an error while using returning id. Simply returns none. Update, so does curl, even though using this command directly into Postgres works. Can anyone advise? Thanks.
And please do not build SQL strings containing values manually. You can, and should, pass values separately, making it unnecessary to escape and SQL injection impossible. See the psycopg docs for more details, this URL.
I ended up here because I had a similar problem, but we're using postgresql, which doesn't yet support the returning id clause. In that case, you can use. Just in case it was useful for anyone.
Consider a returning clause, this URL.
Beefmaster's approach worked for me, for both insert and update commands. If cursor.fetchOwn is called on a cursor after having executed an insert/update command but lacked a return value, returning clause, an exception will be raised, programming error no results to fetch.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.